In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export form submissions in Hubspot. Exporting form submissions is useful when you need to share leads with a teammate, review responses in a spreadsheet, or back up your data outside of Hubspot. The export tool lets you download the submissions for a specific form, and you can choose both the file format and the fields you want included, so the file is organized and easy to work with. First, log into your Hubspot account and go to the main navigation. Open the marketing section, then look for lead capture and click Forms. This takes you to the Forms dashboard, where you can see all the forms in your portal. Next, find the form you want to export. When you hover over that form, you will see additional options appear. Click Actions, and then select View Submissions. This opens the Submissions view for that specific form, where HubSpot lists each response that has been collected. Once you are on the Submissions page, go to the top right corner and click Export Submissions. This is the option that starts the download process. Now you will be asked to choose your export settings. Select the file format that works best for you. For example, a spreadsheet-friendly format is usually best if you plan to sort, filter, or share the information. After that, choose the properties to include. Properties are the fields that will appear as columns in your export, such as contact details and any custom questions on the form. A helpful tip is to include only the properties you actually need, because it keeps the file cleaner and easier to read. When your selections look correct, click Export. HubSpot will generate the file and send you a download link through an email or an in-app notification, depending on your account settings. When you receive the link, open it and download the file to your computer. Then store it in a clear folder name so you can find it later. That covers everything you need to know.